Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy chickpea soup that's packed with flavor and nutrients. But before we dive in, be sure to keep watching until the end of the video, as we have a surprise tip that will take this soup to the next level. Begin by cutting the onion into small pieces, ensuring that each piece is evenly sized for even cooking. Next, finely chop the garlic, making sure it's small enough to blend well with the other ingredients. Then cut the carrot into small pieces, and with celery, you'll be able to fully appreciate its flavor and health benefits in each bowl of soup. Finally, cut the rosemary into the smallest possible pieces so that it's well distributed throughout the soup. Add oil to a pot and fry the chopped onion until it softens. This will help bring out the natural sweetness of the onion and create a delicious base for the soup. Once the onion is cooked, add the rest of the vegetables except the garlic. Don't forget to add ground red pepper and salt to taste. After a while, add the chopped rosemary and garlic, and an extra spoonful of ground red pepper. This will give the soup a subtle kick of heat and a delicious aroma that will make your mouth water. As the vegetables start to caramelize, add thick tomato paste and chickpeas to the pot. Mix everything thoroughly to combine the flavors, and then pour vegetable broth over everything. Let the soup cook for about 10 minutes to ensure that all the flavors are properly blended together. And if you want to take your cooking skills to the next level, be sure to join our Home Head Chef Premium Club for exclusive access and connect with fellow foodies. Click the link in the description to become a member today. To thicken the soup and make it even healthier, take 2 ladlefuls of the soup and transfer it to another bowl. Mix this portion well and then return it to the pot. Let the soup boil for another 5 minutes to ensure it's heated through and the flavors are fully integrated. After the cooking, season the soup with soy sauce and vinegar to add some umami depth and acidity. This will balance out the flavors and make the soup even more delicious. And of course, you can enjoy the soup with some fresh bread to make it a truly satisfying and nourishing meal. So that's how you make a delicious and healthy chickpea soup in just a few easy steps. Don't forget to leave a comment and let us know how yours turned out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time in our kitchen.